Imagine a world where privacy is paramount, where your digital footprint is as elusive as a ghost. A world where transactions happen instantly and without the need for intermediaries. Such a world is already here, thanks to a cryptocurrency called Beam. Today, we're diving deep into the question, can Beam crypto reach $1? Understanding Beam crypto. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency that uses Mimblewimble technology. This technology ensures that transactions are untraceable and unlinkable, making it a haven for those who value their privacy. But what makes Beam unique? Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, Beam doesn't rely on proof-of-work mining. Instead, it uses proof-of-stake, a consensus mechanism that is more energy efficient and less susceptible to centralization. Factors influencing Beam's price. Now, let's explore the factors that could influence Beam's price. Adoption. The more people adopt Beam, the higher its demand becomes. If businesses and individuals start using Beam for everyday transactions, its price could skyrocket. Technology advancements. Beam's developers are constantly working on improving the technology. New features and upgrades could increase its appeal and drive up its price. Regulatory environment. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies can have a significant impact on their prices. If governments become more supportive of cryptocurrencies, Beam could benefit. Market sentiment. The overall sentiment in the cryptocurrency market can also influence Beam's price. If there's a general bullish sentiment, Beam's price is likely to rise. Challenges and opportunities. While Beam has a promising future, it also faces challenges. One of the biggest challenges is its relatively small market capitalization compared to more established cryptocurrencies. This can make it more volatile. However, Beam also presents significant opportunities. Its privacy features and energy-efficient consensus mechanism could make it a popular choice for those who value both privacy and sustainability. So, can Beam crypto reach $1? It's certainly possible, but it will depend on a combination of factors, including adoption, technological advancements, regulatory environment, and market sentiment. While there's no guarantee that Beam will hit $1, its potential is undeniable. As the demand for privacy-focused cryptocurrencies grows, Beam could emerge as a major player in the market. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.